What's up, guys? This is knifesplus.com. Welcome to another walk around. We're going to be looking at the new redesigned M16s today. This is based on the Kit Carson design knife that really helped kickstart CRKT many years ago. They've made these knives and variations of this knife for a lot of years. This is kind of the newest edition. These are the M16. They have the KS on the end of the number, but they make them in the three standard sizes. The spear point blade here, the smaller tanto, and then the large tanto. This one is quite a large knife, and really I won't go over the specs on these knives since they have been around for so long. You're probably pretty familiar with them. I'll just show you some of the differences on them. They did put the Sandvik 12C27 blade steel in here. Still a pretty basic blade steel, but you know, it is a change from the usual 8CR that they're using. So black oxide finishes on these knives. Does have they do have stainless steel handles with frame locks on all of them, so really nice sturdy knife. Also really helps with the, you know, that's a thin knife, not very thick at all. Does have the flipper, just a really nice overall knife. And then the pocket clip, they changed up a little bit, kind of widened it and shortened it a tad. And they are a four-way pocket clip, so you can actually change these to tip up, tip down, left, right hand carry. So really cool knife, great addition to the M16 family for 2018. I will drop a link down in the info section. Get on over to knifesplus.com to learn more.